The private sector is a very important stakeholder in what the government is doing insofar as the 15 billion tree growing is concerned.
Yeah.
We need the private sector to support the various initiatives. You will realize that for us to attain the 15 billion, we have around 11 intervention areas, right from restoration of degraded areas in our forests, restoration of degraded rangelands, tree growing in the infrastructure wherever we have, green spaces, tree growing in schools, in farms, as woodlots or as plantation forests. Now, the private sector are actually key in spurring, okay, the uptake of tree planting. They can be able to support issues of the raising of seedlings. They can support even the restoration work wherever we have degraded areas. And therefore, a private sector like Diamond Trust Bank, what they have done today is just something to congratulate them for. They support the initiative in tree planting.